Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing the trailer and taking a focused look at the fender mounting points so you know what must be fixed. Remove any bent brackets and loosen fasteners now. This reveals hidden rust or cracked welds. Once done, measure bolt spacing and check wiring routing so the replacement will sit correctly and won't chafe. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection while you grind or cut corrosion, because clear visibility makes repairs accurate and safer. You now remove the old fender and focus on the mounting surface. Cut out any bolts you cannot extract and keep a template from the old bracket to preserve geometry. Clean the area down to bare metal and treat it with a rust inhibitor so the new fastener contacts will last longer. Once the surface is stable, align the new fender, clamp it in place, and mark precise hole locations. This prevents misalignment and wheel rubbing when you reattach it. You install the fender by drilling the marked holes, using corrosion-resistant bolts and lock washers so the assembly won't loosen. Torque to a firm spec, but avoid over-tightening thin sheet metal. Reconnect any wiring with proper clips and add sealant or splash guards to prevent future corrosion. Once installed, test wheel clearance and take a short drive. If you hear vibration, stop and recheck fasteners. Troubleshooting tip: if alignment shifts, loosen fasteners slightly, realign, then retorque to eliminate twist or stress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.